Hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Lillian, but you can call me Lily. Hope that you enjoy your stay on my channel. I want to apologize. My daughter, whom I thought is sleeping, is up and she's coming here to distract, so please bear with me, okay? I've got questions here, people asking down in the comment section. Okay, Lily, do one get a job in Ghana? I think this is a very sensible question, very important. It is very wrong to ignore a comment like that, even though I couldn't reply them. So this video is to tell you guys about the labor market in Ghana. Before we go into the video, I want you guys to know that I have never moved completely from Nigeria to Soke. I want to reside in Ghana, like for good. I want to live here. I have always gone there and returned at different times. So I want you guys to know that I've never attempted to get a job in Ghana to Soke. I searched for a job. I went to look for a job of any kind. Then maybe I find a job or not. I have never made an attempt to work in Ghana as like working for someone. I have always been working for myself in Ghana, and in this video I'm going to be letting it out all. I don't know about the labor market. Like I said, I see Nigerians that lives in Ghana that have jobs. I don't know much about it. The ones that I asked, they said that they got the job back in Nigeria. They were posted to Ghana by their companies to go and represent the company in Ghana. I have not seen anyone that went to a Ghanaian bank to say, okay, he got the job and came back and I met that person and we talked. I don't know them, so I cannot give you guys false hope. I don't like to say things that I do not know. So if you have all this skill, if you have these skills I'll be mentioning in this video, moving to Ghana should not be a problem. The only problem you may have is where to stay as you start, because definitely you cannot just get there and be expected to be very comfortable. So you're going to start from somewhere. If you have someone to accommodate you, at least for the first few months of you getting to Ghana, or if you have enough money to say, okay, I've saved this money, like from 1,000 to 2,000 US dollar, and you want to move to Ghana to start your life, I want to tell you that that is okay. But if you do not have that amount to go, make sure that you have somebody you're going to stay with, you're going to squat with when you get there before you find your feet. It's going to be a lot easier that way. Skill number one is fashion designing. Tailor. If you know how to sew clothes, if you're a tailor, Ghana is going to be really good to you, because that is on high demand in Ghana. A lot of people in Ghana wears native attires, and all of these clothes are made there in Ghana. So there's a big market for fashion designers, like this Ankara prints. You see all this native attire, you see a lot of people. There are stores that deals with that, like where you just walk in and buy the already sewn ones. So the owners of these shops relies on tailors who design these things and supply them. Or some of those fashion houses have their own tailoring company where they just stitch and bring to the store to sell. And of course, those who place order for this item, like for these clothes as well. So tailoring business is very good in Ghana. That is because I know somebody that used to do that before I left Ghana. He's an Igbo guy that moved to Ghana, and somebody told him, a friend of his that stays in Ghana told him that, oh, they sew clothes very well in Lagos and you have been complaining that the business is not good. Why don't you come to Ghana? So that was how that friend of his helped him get that job in East Legon, Ghana. And this guy was doing really good. He even told me that he has started building his own house in the village, and that he was gradually working on moving his family to Ghana. All he wanted to do was for him to get a place and then settle and then move his wife and kids, that he's being well paid. And he wasn't just paid on a monthly basis. There's a way he works with the woman, and that really aid him to make a lot of money, because he works even overtime, he works weekend, and so on, as he wishes, just to make him earn higher than suppose. The second skill that if you do have, I will encourage you to move to Ghana if you want to move to Ghana, is hairdressing and lashes and nails. These people are selling big in Ghana. I don't know, for whatever reason, a lot of Ghanaians women, they like to patronize Nigerian hairdressers, especially if you are very good with fixing or weave on, like you know how to make wig. They will patronize you. In fact, that time nobody remembers to want to speak tree with you. They want to do business with you because you are good at it, especially when you are very good at it. I used to know a guy that used to do my hair somewhere around Medina. So when I went back this time, I went to ask of him, and they said he has gone to the UK. Before I moved back to Nigeria at that time, we used to talk about life finance. Like, he used to tell me about how Ghana have changed his story, that he have built a house in his father's compound in Edo State because his father couldn't build before he died, and that the family have been struggling. So for doing this work like that he's doing, he has been able to save up money to build a house in the father's house. And glory enough, good enough, he was, when I asked of him, they said he has worked his way to the UK from Ghana. Isn't that amazing? He has always said that this Ghana has changed his life. Ghana have changed his life. I believe one of his customers helped him get to the UK when they discovered that he's very good with hair making. And you know what it is in the UK when you have this kind of skills. So the guy no more in Ghana right now, is in the UK. Isn't that an amazing skill? Just hairdressing, and he was able to find his way to the UK. Skill number 3, this one is YouTube or any form of digital content creating. If you are into digital content creating, Ghana is very good for you. But I want to warn you, make sure that you have started earning money. If you are a YouTuber or a blogger, or what again, other ones that I do not know, if you are into these things, make sure that you have started earning from Google AdSense. Like, you can receive salary to sustain yourself. If you are a YouTuber, you stand a high chance of making it big in Ghana. Why is that? Electricity. It doesn't matter your niche. No matter the niche you pick, if you are in Ghana, you are going to do very well. There's steady power supply for you to continue to create content. There's high chances of you just breaking through if you're in Ghana. Like, you have high chances of making it if you're in Ghana, but please make sure that you start earning already. I have an example of one person that is creating content in Ghana as a Nigerian, and he's doing really well. His channel's name is Mr. Manager. Mr. Manager Nigerian News is doing really well. Is a Nigerian content creator. He has started earning. So when I say make sure you start earning, because so that when you make that money, when you get paid, you can use it to sustain yourself, to avoid stories that touch the heart. I didn't do it and I suffered. Though in my case, I intentionally didn't want to do it because I wanted to save that money so that I can rent a house. I can tell you not to be afraid if you have this skill. If you know how to cook very well, if you know how to cook indigenous Nigerian foods, soups especially, if you know how to cook things like soups like banga soup, okra, if I just local Nigerian soups, ewedu, eforiru, all these things, if you know how to prepare them, you have a market waiting for you in Ghana. I'm saying this because I tried it and it worked for me, but I couldn't keep up because I was the exact time my channel started to open up, and the pressure to take care of my daughter and create content for YouTube, and they still do that, didn't let me, because that one needs a lot of commitment. So I couldn't cope. I had to leave it halfway and focus on my YouTube channel, because yeah, if we all do things we believe in, so I believe in my channel, so I choose to let that one go and focus on my channel. So if you know how to cook very well and you're ready to get your hands dirty, when you get to Ghana, all you have to do is for you to create a page, highly recommended Instagram. Be creative with your photos skills. Take beautiful picture of the first 2-5 meals you're gonna cook and upload them on Instagram, and look for how to do Instagram ads. That one you can do it right at the comfort of your home, just with your ATM card, even if it's a Nigerian ATM card like Visa or MasterCard. You can do this Instagram ads for that page. Like, make sure that you use a lot of hashtags around Ghana, you know, about Ghana, Accra, or whichever city you choose. Highly recommended is Accra. That is where I know we have lots of Nigerians living in. It's not to say Nigerians are not in that part of Ghana, but that one day, I am telling you because I know. So if you open a page on Instagram and also have a WhatsApp number to back up your Instagram page, you are going to really do business and you'll be happy living in Ghana. You'll be okay living there. Fourth one I want to mention is not a skill. This one is a business. If you know how to, if you have capital to start Nigerian foodstuffs, you are going to be rich really soon. There's high demand for this one. There's a lot of people eat, a lot of Nigerians, there are a lot of Nigerians that don't know how to eat non-Nigerian food, especially in Ghana. They will tell you that Ghana is too close to home for them not to eat, to have a feeling of home. So they are ready to come to you to buy these items. So if you are into foodstuffs business, if you do not have capital to open a shop, to rent a shop, which shops are expensive in Ghana, let me warn you, anything accommodation shops are expensive in Accra, Ghana, please. But if you do not have money to rent a shop, you can use online. You create a page online, also add the Instagram ads to aid your visibility. That way it will get to the right audience and you are going to be discovered and orders will be coming in. It's just like the same order. The method is like the same one, the cooked one. Though that one is capital intense, to be honest, especially now that the borders are locked, are closed. It's going to be really difficult to get these items into the country. Actually, if you eventually succeed at it, you are going to be happy you did. So I hope that this video is helpful. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.